dear devotees, due to certain technical difficulties, due to certain sharing difficulties, I am going to change my Bhagavad Gita explanation. I am dividing into two, every chapter, division A and division B, like that. Om Sri Paramatmane Nama. Ada Saptamodhyaya, chapter 7. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya Shaktamana Partha Yogam Yunjanma Dasraya Asamshayam Samagram Ma Yada Nyasyasi Tachrunu. Sri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, now listen how with the mind attached to me through exclusive love and practicing yoga with absolute dependence on me, you will know me, the repository of all power, strength, and glory, and other attributes, the universal soul, in entirety and without any shadow of doubt. Jnanam teham savijnanamidam vakshyamya sheshada yajnatva nega bhuyonya jnada vyama vashishyade. I shall unfold to you in its entirety this wisdom, knowledge of a God in his absolute formless aspect, along with the knowledge of the qualified aspect of a God, both with form and without form, having known which nothing else remains yet to be known in this world. Manusyanam Sahasreshu Kaschit Dadadi Siddhaye Yadadamabi Siddhana Kaschinma Veti Tattvada. Hardly one among thousands of men strives to realize me. Of those striving yogis, again, some rare one, devoting himself exclusively to me, knows me in reality. Bhumi Ravonalo Vayu Kam Mano Buddhi He Cha Ahangara Idiyam Me Binna Prakriti Ishtada Abare Eya Mida Stva Annaya Prakritim Vidhi Me Param Jiva Budam Mahabaho Yayedam Daryade Jagat. Earth, water, fire, air, either mind, reason, and also ego, these constitute my nature, divided into 8 parts. This indeed is my lower material nature. The other than this, by which the whole universe is sustained, know it to be my higher or spiritual nature in the form of Jiva, the life principle, O Arjuna. Yadadyonini Bhudani Sarvanityu Padaraya Agam Krishnasya Jagat Prabhava Pralayastada. Arjuna, know that all beings have evolved from this twofold Prakriti, and that I am the source of the entire creation, and into me again it dissolves. Matta Pardanam na anyat kinchid asti dhananjaya. Mayi sarvamidam prodam sutre manigana iva. There is nothing else besides me, Arjuna, like clusters of yarn beds formed by knots on a thread. All this is threaded on me. Rasohamapsu Kaundeya Prabhasmi Shashi Suryayo Pranava Sarvave Deshu Shabda He Paurisham Nrshu. Arjuna, I am the sapidity in water and the radiance in the moon and the sun. I am the sacred syllable Om in all the Vedas, the sound in ether and virility in men. Punyo Gandha Pradivyam Cha Tejas Chasmi Vibhavasau Jivanam Sarvabhudeshu Tabaschasmi Tabashishu. I am the pure order, the subtle principle of a smell in the earth and brightness in a fire. Nay, I am the life in all beings and austerity in the ascetics. Bijam mam sarvabhudanam vidhi parda sanadanam abuddhi buddhi madasmi te tejas teja svinamaham. Arjuna, know me to be the eternal seed of all beings. I am the intelligence of the intelligent, the glory of the glorious am I. Belam belavadam chaga Kamaraga Visha Arjidam Dharmo Viruddho Bhudeshu Kamosmi Bharadarshaba. Arjuna, of the mighty I am the might. Free from passion and desire. In beings I am Kama, the conjugal desire, not conflicting with the virtue or scriptural injunctions. Ye chaiva satviga bhava raja sasta masascha ye matta yavedi tan vidhi na tvaham teshu te mai. Whatever other entities there are born of sattva, the quality of goodness, and those that are born of rajas, the principle of activity, and tamas, the principle of inertia, know them all as evolved from me alone. In reality, however, neither do I exist in them, nor do they in me. Triburguna Mayairbhavai Rebi Sarvamidam Jagat Mogidam Nabi Janadi Mamebhya Paramavayam. The whole of this creation is deluded by these objects evolved from the three modes of Prakriti, Sattva, Rajas, and tamas. That is why the world fails to recognize me, standing apart from these, the imperishable. Devi Hyosha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya Mameva Ye Prabhadyante Maya Medam Tarandite. For this a most wonderful Maya veil of a mind consisting of the three gunas, modes of nature, is extremely difficult to break through. Those, however, who constantly adore me alone are able to cross it. Namam Dushkridino Muda Prabhadyante Naradama Mayaya Pakrada Jnana Asuram Bhava Masrida. Those whose wisdom has been carried away by Maya and are of demonic nature, such a foolish, and while men of evil deeds do not adore me, Chaturvida Bhajande Ma Jana Sugardino Arjun Artho Jijnasura Ardhardi Jnani Cha Bharadarshaba. Four types of devotees of noble deeds worship me, Arjuna: the seekers after worldly possessions, the afflicted, the seeker for knowledge, and the man of wisdom, O best of Bharadas. Thank you to all. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai.